Hi guys, it's day one. Let's solve the data types challenge. So what it says is we have three types of variables. First one is integer, the second one is double or float, whatever you want to say, and the third one is string. So the problem asks us to declare two variables, integer, double, and string. Let's declare them. Okay, I'm going to declare the integer variable as I2 and initialize it with 0. Then D2 for double, and I'm going to initialize it with 0.0. And the last variable, string variable, is S2, and I'm going to initialize S2 with blank string. And then so you should read standard input for each variables. Then we have input function here. Yeah, but this input function gives us a string, so we should convert that string to the appropriate type. So we need integer. Then we say I2 is equal to this one. This int function converts a string to the integer. Then D2 is, okay, let's type input. Okay, we are getting string right now, so we should convert this to the double or float. We are going to convert this to the float. Okay, we have a float function to do that. Okay, so the last variable is S2, it's string, so we don't need to convert that because input gives us string. So, okay, just let's check the variable types. Let's test. Okay, print type I2, print type D2, print type S2. Type function gives the type of the variable. Okay, just run code. We are expecting wrong answer, but we are just checking. The types. Okay, type of the I2 is integer. Type of the D2 is float. Type of the S2 is string. Okay. These three lines work. Okay, we don't need this testing code. We can remove them. Then it says print the sum of both integer variables on a new line. Okay, what we are going to do is type print I plus I2 because both of them are integer. And print the sum of the double variables on a new line. Okay, print D plus D2 because both of them are float. They are same type, so we can add them. Then concatenate and print the string variables on a new line. Okay, the S variable above should be printed first. S variable is this HackerRank, so we should type print S variable plus S2. This plus doesn't add. This plus works like a concatenation sign. So it takes S and it glues S2 behind the S. Okay, let's check and cut what we have. Okay, so standard input for integer is 12 and our I is 4. 4 plus 12 is 16. Then 4.0 plus 6.0 is 4.0 plus 4.0 is 8.0. Okay, so we have as HackerRank with blank space, and that is the best place to learn and practice coding. And we have HackerRank is the best place to learn and practice coding. Okay, what's expected output? Expected output is exactly like our output. So we are going to submit code. Okay, we got 2 stars, 2 ticks. Okay, all test cases are passed. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to practice yourself, just click the next challenge and go solving other problems. Okay, see you then. Bye.